Oh,
Okay. Okay. Are you there? So these are the different types of database are available in the RPA. Okay, so these are the different types of database are available in the market, and the definition, or you can say concept wise, all the database are similar. Yeah, concept wise it is a similar, just only the thing is different. What it is different, that is the syntax is different. That means, yeah, what do you mean by syntax? Syntax means what, you have to do some sort of work in this like application, so that work is maybe sometimes it will be different. Okay, so while you are working with this, so please try to understand any one of the database, as I already mentioned, and even yesterday I had given okay. So here will be the like yesterday I had shared one link. Have you go through it, like a tutorials on SQL index, SQL tutorial. So whenever you are going to think about why to learn the SQL, SQL is a structured query language, which is a computer language for storing and manipulating or retrieving the data stored in the relational database management. Means relational database. RDBMS is one of the system which is to be used in a what I can say area where this will be mostly used. Okay, right? So RDBMS is one of the very important system which is to be used, and it will be useful for the different types of database. So if you want to check the Oracle, यार क्या भूल गए क्या वो बंद करना. So when you are going to see like a MS Access here, so while Access will be there, yeah. So here will be the Access. So Access is the one database which is to be used in what I can say MS Microsoft Word or Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Automation. So these are the like a blank database I'm going to use here. Here in this database, I just say design view, and I'm going to take a table one. So here will be the like a table one. I take a student as a table. So why I can say serial number as an what I can say, and this will be as a number. While I'm talking about a foreign key and primary key, so it will be directly primary key. Why it is a primary key, that I will tell you while you start learning. At that time I will explain, without that I'm not going to explain. Okay, so here you are going to take a name. Yeah, so here will be the student name, right? Then here will be the student address. So I say address, yeah, in which school he is studying, right? And then, yeah, so these are the some sort of information I'm just keeping in this table. Now I'm just going to open. Here will be the one. Suppose I'm saying first student will be the Ankita. She is in suppose Bangalore. Okay, her school will be named as an Sri Swaminathan some XYZ school. Okay, then two, Akshay, he is in Pune, Saraswati school. Yeah, third one, Singh sir, he is in Chennai, suppose for example. Annamalai something, it's a university I think so. And Renu Prasad, he is in Bangalore. So he is in right now in one of the like a Vishweshwara. Okay, so here will be the like some sort of a screen will be there. I'm just going to save. Now once you are going to complete this one, then you can apply the syntax, or you can say query. So while I'm going to say query, here I can apply the query design. I'm just closing it. Here I'm going to take a SQL view. Here I can provide a star from table name, right? Where what I can say here will be the, like I can say, serial number. So serial number is equal to 1. While I'm applying this query design, it will be shows us like a query wise data. So this is a, like a, one kind of a structure. Now I'm just wanted to save this database as an okay. So I just wanted to save this database. I'm just storing this database on the like I can say on the screen. You can say here I'm going to keep one file that is a Uipath. Here is the Uipath. So here will be the Uipath. Yeah, and here in this case, like a 2 March will be there, 2020. Okay, and here I'm creating a student. Okay, so this database will be there. I'm just closing this database. Out of that, I'm just going to take a query. I just copy this because it will be required. Query design will be there. I'm just going to take those things inside. Now I just wanted to do so all the activity with the help of UiPath. So I just open the UiPath workflow. Okay. So there will be the, like a one of the example, like a flow chart, right? So I'm just going to take a flow chart here. Right. So we have taken a flow chart here. I say flow chart. In this case, like I just want like a database related activity, so that I'm just going to connect the connect activity, but connect activity is not available in this. So I just click on the manage packages. While I'm going to click on the manage packages, here will be the, like I say, database activity. So I say database related activity will be there. Here will be the database related activity. I'm just going to ask him to install it. While I'm saying install, it will be going to install here. So UiPath database activities, it is going to be installed here. Okay, so once it is going to be installed here, it takes little bit time because it is going to install all the packages of your database. So sometimes it will take a time. So yeah, once you will get these packages, then here will be the connect kind of a. I just take a connection. I say connect. While I'm saying connection, I need to configure this connection. So first of all, I just wanted to close this database. Yeah, I need to check a data source. So while I am saying connection string, I don't know connection string, but I know what is the data source. So here will be the data source will be MXSA database file, and here I will take a database file name. So that is why I just going to be like I say browse it. Then what I will go, I say UiPath project, and then here will be like a 2nd March. So I say 2nd March, and then I will take a new database here. So once I will going to do this, then I will check the database. So test connection is a successful. I say okay. I say okay. Then here will be I in right hand. I say Control K, and here I am saying creating a connection. So once I am going to create a connection, I will come back. Yeah. So connection is completed. Now I just wanted to perform the query because yeah, the execute. So execute query I wanted to do. So here will be the execute query application. I just open it. I say configure the connection. Now already connection is made here, and then I wanted to write down a query which I had taken here. So here will be the query which I had taken. I just take it here. I say star. Okay, and in double quote I am going to keep this query. I say okay. So here will be the like query connection. I just create a object of it. It will be returning like a data table. Okay, while I'm going to check the data table, so here will be the data table is going to be created here. So once it will be creating a data table, here I say output data table. So I say output data table, will of it, which converts your data table in the format of text. So I say take data table. I taken here data table. I say str here table result. Okay, so I taken here result. I say right line, yeah, and I take a right line of below it. Here will be the str data table I have taken. I save it and I say run it. While I'm going to run, you can see at the beginning he will start the connection, he will perform the operation and he will fetch the result and going to place that result. Is it fine? So serial number, student, and these details. Singh sir, are you there?
Yes, sir, I am following.
Okay, you got it. What we have
Yeah,
done?
yeah,
We
looks good.
have connect. We had made a connection with the database first. Once you are making the connection, then you are firing some sort of a
Query.
query with the execute query. Okay, here will be the like a parameters also we can keep, but at this moment I had given a parameter as a one here, right? In future if required we can perform the parameter. Then output data table, with this output we are going to generate those output, we are converting in the format of text and that text we are displaying. That's it. So yeah, who is going to share the screen?
The data table, str data table, or whatever be the number of rows, it will displays it. It
Yeah,
is
yeah,
here.
whatever the number of table, or what I can say now, if I'm going to change the, yeah, uh query here, like rather than saying where clause I just close it, yeah, and say right, when I'm going to say this manner, it will be returning all the values.
Okay.
Yeah, so here serial number, all the details came here. Is that fine?
Sir, are you saving? I lost you saving.
Hello.
Hello. Sir, are you
Huh?
your screen? I lost you saving.
I'm not able to hear you, can you speak loudly?
Are you sharing your screen, sir? I can see your screen.
My screen is not visible.
No.
Okay, you got it. What main changes I had done? I go through this. I say select star from a table. That is only the thing which I had done. And then whatever the output I got, this is the output. So who is going to share the screen so that we will perform the same operation on his machine? Ankita, can you share your screen?
Yeah, okay.
Do you have access? Yeah, access. Office access, right. Open it. Do you have any other database also? We will check other database also, and along with that Excel as a database also we can perform.
Okay. No, sir, I think access will be the only thing.
Okay.
So it's going for download address.
Hmm.
Hey, are you someone who uses
Yeah. Is there on your machine?
Not sure, sir. I think it is not there. It's going in go for search only download.
Okay. Can you write down your types here for search? Access. No access.
Yeah, it's not. Okay, I'll just.
Yeah, yeah. You have to install. Office is there, right?
Yeah, office is there. More than
But
the.
maybe access is not installed.
Yeah, access is mentioned. Yeah, okay,
Okay.
sir. I'll just do it, mother.
Okay, okay. No problem. Singh sir, do you have access on your machine?
No, sir.
Oh, Akshay? Okay. Akshay?
No. Not available, sir. Excellent.
Arey baap re. So you can do this practice at your home. Okay, once you are going to install it.
Mm, yeah, yes.
Okay, I'm not going to
That
repeat.
installation connection packages, right?
Ha ha.
Installation that can you just show that piece only? I didn't make note of it. The
Uh,
packages to install in Uipath.
Not ha package installation that I will show you. So
Yeah.
I click on this. Are you
No,
able to
sure.
see?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So here will be the manage packages will be there. You
Okay.
have to click on the all database, and here will be like a database operation, right?
Okay.
So
Database.
here will be the database operation, and here you say activities, database activities, and then you say install it. Then automatically all the database activities are going to be come here. Any doubt here?
Database.
So just try to complete this thing because it is a not like in a syllabus. But yeah, why I taken because most of the people like as a developer, as a software engineer, we have to work with a different kind of a database in our life. So that time we should know the process wise or what we can say. We should know the how the database is to be connected with the application or how the database is to be connected with the RPA. That is the main motto. So that is why I had shown you this thing. Is that
Sure,
fine?
sir. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, thank you.
Okay, so now already we have completed try catch block. So how many people had connected with the try catch block? Means how many people had started working with the this area like academy.uipath.com? And do you have any doubts in that? Like exception handling is a very important topic, right? Because most of the questions in interviews are going to come from this, right? So when I'm going to think about this exception handling and all, so I will show you some sort of a thing. So in a study material, I hope everyone is watching the PPTs, right? Am I right or wrong? Akshay?
PPT I didn't go through, like when the data flow, control flow, and all, when you said you went through that. Other things I not watched it.
I have so much material and I don't require it, so that is why I transfer you people, right?
Okay.
I transfer because I don't want to see you guys, right? You have to see it, right? Or not?
Sure.
Who is going to see? Okay, so here will be the exception handling. This topic we have covered already, right? Or not?
Exception.
Right? So what is exception handling? The exception handling will be like a while the development time of like a compiler exception and what I can say debugging exception. So as we see that compiler exception or error exception will be there, those exception we can handle very fastly, right? But this kind of conceptual exception, those are very difficult to handle, right? So then what I can say, there will be the like a try catch block, already we saw it. Then what it contains, that is a containing of a throw activity along with that rethrow, then terminate workflow, what is the use of it, different types of exception, go through it so that you can understand, guys,
Sure, sure, sir.
right? Because we have miss I have given you this thing, that means you have to go with it, right?
Okay.
Right. Then selectors also we have covered,
Yes.
because this will be the question you will face in your interview, right? So that is why I'm asking you people to try it. Okay, these are the exceptions. Then how to manage, how to create, how to handle the exception, sorry, this one, how to take a tags, right? Then what is a full selector, partial selector, what will be the wildcards, what are the different types of wildcards are available, right? Right, so this will be one of the thing which we have to, I just have to change the slide format. It looks very ugly, I can say. How to change, I don't know, forget. Okay, so you go through it. Okay, if you have any question you can tell me, those question we can cover. Okay, so advanced level diploma, I think so we have covered most of the topic. Yeah, some topics are pending, that topic I'm going to start with the start tomorrow, so that we can start it working on it, right? So here will be the get started RP development the day after, variables argument, UI automation with the UI auto studio, data table excel, data manipulation, selectors we have completed, debugging we have completed, error handling we have completed. Now the project organization I will cover, and then yeah, orchestrator, PDF automation also I have taken some part, right? Have you go through it? So ultimately there are again 4 5 topics are pending in the this area. Then you will get the certification of diploma. Once you will get the diploma certificate, then you start preparing for the interview question automatically. Along with that, you have to finish the advanced level certification, RP developer advanced level. Okay, guys.
Sir, just one question. So, based on these courses, like once we start completing all these courses, then only at the end we'll get that main certification.
We'll get a certificate, yeah.
Yeah.
By every single process you will get a first certificate, but yeah, once you are going to finish all the thing, then at the end you will get a RPA developer foundation diploma.
Okay.
Yeah, and already I had given you people one sort of a certification examination, so hope you are going to take a free trial of this test. But for that purpose we should have to know all the topic, right? Right, sir, Singh sir?
Yes, yes. So a few of the questions I didn't know earlier. If I could let it go, but yeah, most of the questions are already we have covered, and we are able to respond to that.
Yeah, but some sort of a questions are there which is while you will get a 91, 94% at that time you can appear for this kind of a certification, and this is like a paid certificate which is not required at this moment.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. So that is why I'm not asking you people to do it, because they are asking you like a fees $150 and all, which is
Yeah.
not required. No one is going to ask in the industry this kind of a certificate. They are
Okay.
forcing us to do it, but yeah, if you are okay to take it, if your office is right now paying, then you can appear for this exam. Otherwise, don't do. Is that fine?
Okay.
You got my point, right?
I don't have to pay from pocket.
Don't pay. Not required.
Not necessary.
No, yeah. Still now, I had appeared for the so many interviews, and in that interviews, no one forced me whether you have completed. I told them this is a similar like your advanced level and all. So if you want, pay me, I will complete it.
Okay.
Because you saw the type of question in that, right? Already we
Yeah.
have completed some sort of topic in that same kind of questions are going to come,
Yeah. Yeah.
right? So hope all are well. I'm just going to finish now, and tomorrow come with a basic topic. And yeah, I'll just share one sort of a important thing that is nothing but a docs.uipath.com. So it's like a documentation part. Here will be the documentation part. You can see the activities and all, so many things you can see here, right? Release notes will be there, delay rust options are there, automation hub will be there, task capture is there. There are so many things, right? So I say automation hub as a developer, you can see the automation hub here. So many things will be there, but I'm just sharing this. Go with it. Whatever the thing you like, you take it from it. If you don't like, don't take it anything. But yeah, in this, if I'm going to search some sort of activities, you can find out all the activities in it. So suppose I'm saying all the activities. So here you can find out the all the tutorials and all of UiPath Studio. So some of the tutorials they have already performed by themselves, right? So you can just check it how it is going to run, right? Like creating a basic process, creating a basic library, working with the sequence, working with the flowchart, state machine, web services in libraries like this one, variable using text. So these are the examples they already taken in, right?
Yeah.
So this will be just understanding of example of RDP automation. They have taken, like suppose I'm clicking on this, then what they are going to do, they had completed one example. You just go through that example, you run it, you download it and run it. You can download it also on your local machine, right?
Sure.
So those things you can practice at least. Miss, you should know this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, because they have mentioned all the things in that. Then how the break activity is going to work, how the continue activity is going to work, what is the difference between continue and break activity. You can download this example and you can perform. Got it?
Yeah.
Is that fine, Akshay? Akshay,
Yes.
it's easy, because if
Oh,
suppose you some of the concept are not clear,
yeah.
then you can go through it, and you can take a ready-made example and just implement it. Through it you can understand and also debug those examples, so that you can understand how the people are writing the code. Got it? Okay, so bye, see you tomorrow.
Sir, can you just share the recordings for yesterday
Huh?
class?
Yesterday's class, okay.